In the heart of Burkina Faso, a solemn moment unfolds. Captain Ibrahim Traoré, president and leader of the transition, bows in reverence, laying a wreath not just of flowers, but of honor, remembrance, and unshakable resolve. Behind him, the guardians of the nation stand tall, a symbol of unity, sacrifice, and hope amidst adversity. This is more than a ceremony, it's a message to the world. Burkina Faso remembers its heroes, and it rises not in silence, but in strength. Every flower laid is a promise to protect the homeland, to honor those who came before, and to carve a new path forward. This image is not just history captured, it is a nation's spirit, immortalized.